And we are making yarn crafts. We are just about done with our doll. We gave it a little head, then the body with little arms through, the hair, the face. And now we're just going to clean her up, and I'm going to show you another option. Here, this one obviously is wearing a dress. I'm going to trim her hair a little bit there. So I want to just trim up the dress, but some people like the bottom to be braided. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And it'll look like she has legs as opposed to her wearing a long dress. So once you trim up your edges, you can just lay her down and divide the legs in half. And then you're just going to braid it again like we did the arms. You're going to take half of the section. You're going to take one of the half sections and divide it into 3 pieces. And then just go ahead and braid it as you would any braid. And then you're going to take a piece of yarn to tie it up. And let's see. And you don't need a really long piece, but whatever you don't use, you can trim off. You just pull it tight. And around both ways, and then tight one more time, and then just a knot. Like that. And then just pull the excess length off and cut it, and then you're going to take your other one and do the same thing again. Divide the section into 3, and then just braid it. And take a piece of yarn and tie it all together. And this, as you can see, was a very fast and easy project. It's a fun little project for kids. They can practice their counting as they loop around 200 times. You can see how high they can get all on their own. They can also help you pick out the colors. And there you go. And there's a little braided doll. So there's 2 variations. This one is wearing a dress, and this one has little pants on, a little more modern. And that's how you make a yarn doll.